Hello, Miss. Let me introduce myself. My name is Mihkael, or you can call me Michael. And today, I want to presentation about classroom management project 2. And this presentation, there is a two part. And for the first, we go to the part 1. I will explain the three topics that has been given. Now, in the part 1, topic first topic is teaching tolerance. Teaching tolerance. Tolerance in the classroom means accepting and respecting differences in race, religion, gender, background, and opinions. It's especially important in language and literature classes where diverse perspectives shape learning. Teaching tolerance creates an inclusive environment, encourages empathy and communication, and reduce bullying or conflict. Most importantly, it helps students grow into open-minded and respectful individuals beyond the classroom. And the next slide is example of teaching tolerance in practice. For example, during a poem discussion on cultural identity, a student from a minority group shares a personal connection, and the teacher encourages respectful dialogue, helping others broaden their perspective. In another case, when a student mocks a peer's accent, the teacher uses it as a teaching moment, explaining that English is spoken in many forms globally and promoting respect for linguistic diversity. This action not only support the targeted student but also teach the whole class about empathy and inclusion. And second topic is helping students handle anger, frustration, and aggression. Students often face emotional struggles like anger or frustration due to academic pressure, personal issue, or peer conflicts. This emotion can affect their behavior and learning if not properly addressed. As future educator, it's important to recognize that emotional outbursts usually reflect deeper problems. Instead of punishing them, teachers should offer support and help students manage their emotion and healthy, constructive ways, building trust and emotional growth in the classroom. Example of supporting students through emotion. When a student show frustration like slamming a book or yelling during group work, the teacher can respond calmly by offering a break or a private conversation rather than reacting with punishment. This allows the teacher to understand the root cause, such as stress from academic failure, or peer teasing. Establishing supportive strategies like a calm corner or mindfulness activities help students manage their emotion and creates a classroom culture where emotional struggles become learning opportunity for everyone. And the third topic, the last, is this disruptive behavior. What is disruptive behavior? Disruptive behavior includes action like talking out of turn, ignoring instruction, or refusing to participate, and often signals deeper issues such as boredom, emotional struggles, or a need for attention. Instead of labeling students as troublemakers, teachers should seek to understand the root cause. This allows for more effective responses that focus on growth and trust, not just discipline. Managing disruption is key to maintaining a respectful and engaging, engaging classroom for all. The next is managing disruptive behavior, purpose, and example. Managing disruptive behavior is essential to maintain a focused and respectful learning environment. Instead of embarrassing students who interrupt or ignore instruction, Teachers can address the issue calmly, uncover the root cause like boredom or a need for attention, and respond with positive strategies such as assigning responsibilities or reinforcing class expectation. With patience and consistency, disruptive behavior can be redirected into meaningful classroom engagement. And now we go to the part two. In this part, I want to answer the question for the problem that has been given. And this part, there is three problems. So here we go. Problem number one, you can see the problem number one in this presentation. Now, the question is, what classroom management technique can Ms. Johnson implement to address Alex's aggressive behavior? Provide at least three specific strategies and explain how each one could help improve the situation. Okay, now the answer. According to teaching tolerance technique, the answer is she can create a more inclusive classroom where Alex feels accepted. Group activities and class discussion that promote empathy and respect can help reduce his feelings of isolation and lower his aggression. According to helping students handle anger and frustration technique, Ms. Johnson can teach Alex calming strategies like deep breathing or give him a cool down space. When he feels overwhelmed, private talks and emotional check-in can help him express his feelings more safely. And according to disruptive behavior management technique, giving Alex a classroom responsibility can redirect his energy into something positive. Consistent rules and fair consequence combined with positive reinforcement can gradually help improve his behavior. And next is problem two. The question is, what strategies can Mr. Smith use to increase on-task behavior and decrease off-task behavior? Provide at least three specific strategies and explain how each one could help address the issue. The answer, according to teaching tolerance technique, he can build a classroom culture where all students feel respected and included. Sometimes off-text behavior happens when students feel disconnected. Grouping students thoughtfully and encouraging peer collaboration may help them feel more involved and focused. Help according helping students handle frustration and disengagement technique, some students may act out or zone out because they're frustrated or bored. Mr. Smith can check in with them individually, adjust the difficulty level of task when needed, and teach short self-regulation breaks like standing up or stretching to help students reset their focus. According to disruptive behavior management technique, he can set clear, consistent rules about phone use and talking during listen. Using positive reinforcement like praising focused students or using a point system can motivate others to stay on task. Sitting arrangement changes can also minimize distraction. And next, the last problem, problem three, question: what specific strategies can Miss Brown implement to manage Jake's disruptive behavior? Provide at least three strategies and explain how each one could help address the issue. And the answer, according to technique tolerance technique, she can try to understand if Jake feels excluded or misunderstood by promoting a more respectful and empathetic classroom culture like through group discussion or peer collaboration. Jake may feel more connected and less likely to act out for attention. According helping students handle anger or frustration technique, Miss Brown can schedule quick private check-in with Jake to explore any emotional issue behind his behavior. Teaching simple self-regulation technique or giving him short break when needed can help Jake release tension without disrupting the class. According to disruptive behavior management technique, she should apply consistent consequences and combine them with positive reinforcement when Jack show good behavior. Giving Jack a meaningful role in class like being a group leader or helping with materials, can redirect his energy in a constructive way. So that's all my presentation about project to classroom management. I'm so sorry if there are any lacking for my presentation. I hope you like, I hope you enjoy for watching my video and see you. Thank you, Miss. Bye bye.